I think this institute serves all humanity based on the perspectives inspired by the life and works of Gولەn, who tirelessly worked to foster mutual understanding among civilizations and among cultures and among faiths.
In a world that lacks direction, there can be no doubt that a pathfinder is needed, and that role is unlikely to be filled by those who now challenge democratic values, by radical populists, aggressive nationalists, boastful autocrats, or the apostles of a holy war. It is much more likely to be found in the values that reside at the heart of the Gولەn Institute and this luncheon series. These values include a commitment to international dialogue, an understanding of cultural diversity, support for human justice, and the love of peace.
I think it's extremely important to have institutions like the Gولەn Institute bringing people together, getting them to understand that we are all in the same boat. And in today's world, you cannot be secure at the expense of the other. You cannot be safe or prosperous at the expense of the other. And that we live in the same boat.